Hello everyone, welcome to Photo Beast. My name is Dion White, professional photographer and filmmaker. I make YouTube videos that help people with their photos and editing. And I'm here to help unlock your photography potential, especially in the wild. So whether you've never picked up a camera before or you're just looking for a new hobby, today we're diving deep into wildlife photography and why you should start right now. So if you love nature, enjoy exploring, or you just want to capture those once-in-a-lifetime moments, stick around, hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Let's grow together on this journey. Also, watch till the end because this video is packed with information you're going to need. Let's ask ourselves, why wildlife photography? Number one is to connect with nature. Photography gets you outside, breathing fresh air, and paying attention to nature like you never have before. You'll start noticing things that you've never seen, like how birds move, how animals interact, and how lighting transforms a landscape. Number two, capture stunning moments. Animals move fast. 1 second they're there, the next they're gone. But with the camera, you can get to freeze those moments forever. Whether it be a hawk mid-flight, a deer stepping into a sunrise, or just a tiny frog sitting perfectly on a still leaf. Now, every shot tells a story, but that's what makes it fun. You'll learn patience, sharpen your observation skills, and train your eye to anticipate amazing moments before they even happen. Number four, share and inspire your photos. It can also bring joy to others. They can educate people about wildlife and even inspire conservation efforts. Whether you post on Instagram, enter a contest, or just share with family and friends, your images have power. Number five, it's a fantastic hobby that can turn into a career. Some of the greatest wildlife photographers started with nothing but a passion and a camera. Who knows, maybe this could be more than just a hobby for you too. So let's see what we need to get started. Step one, we need to get a camera, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Smartphones, yes.
Yes, please.
You can take great wildlife photos with your phone. It might not zoom much, but it's a great start. Point and shoot cameras, they're simple to use with decent zooms, and DSLR or mirrorless cameras are the best. So if you're ready to invest a little bit more, these cameras will give you better focus, zoom, image quality, and faster shutter speeds. For instance, I can shoot 1/8,000th of a second, and I can get 40 pictures in 1 second. Number two, we need to learn the basics of photography. The most important is lighting. And one little trick is always remember mornings and late afternoons have the best natural light. That's what we like to call golden hour. Number two is your composition. Always try to use the rule of thirds to make your subject stand out. And of course, number three is patience. Animals move fast, but the best shots happen when you wait for that perfect moment. Step three, start in your own backyard. You don't need to go on a safari in Africa to find wildlife. Birds, squirrels, insects, they're all around you every day. So start here. Practice, 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 and just build confidence. Step four, learn to blend in. Always try to wear neutral colors or camouflage, move slowly and stay quiet. Use natural cover like trees and bushes to get closer without scaring off your native wildlife. Step five, experiment with camera settings. I've been shooting for 10 years and I'm always customizing my camera to be faster. Now, what you want to do is try to use faster shutter speeds, 1/500th of a second or higher to freeze motion, especially with fast action. Remember, your aperture is your f-stops. A lower number like f2.8 will blur the background, making the subject pop. Higher numbers like f16 will get everything in focus, and then there's your ISO. Higher ISO lets in more light, so in low light you're going to need higher ISOs, but be careful, too much ISO equals grain. Step six, you need to practice, review, and prove. Now, what that means is look at your photos. What worked, what didn't work, and always keep shooting, keep experimenting because every shot teaches you something new. Some of the common challenges and how to overcome them. Number one, you might get blurry photos. So if that's the case, use a faster shutter speed, hold your camera as steady as you can, and if you can't, get a tripod and just try to use that. Number two, if animals keep running away, you need to move slower and stay quiet. Use a big zoom lens if possible to get those great shots from a distance. And three is if you have bad lighting. Always remember, if you can shoot early in the morning or late afternoon, you'll get that golden light. And always adjust your camera settings to brighten your shots. The next steps: level up your skills. Once you've got the basics down, here's what's next. Visit some national parks or wildlife reserves. Learn about animal behavior so that you can predict their movements, and then join a photography group and learn from others. Start entering wildlife photography contests as well, and you might even get yourself a little extra cash and notoriety. Wildlife photography is one of the most rewarding and exciting hobbies that you can start today. You don't need expensive gear. You don't need years of experience. All you need is a camera, a little practice, and a love for nature. Now, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and tell me what's the first animal that you want to photograph. And don't forget, subscribe to PhotoBee so you never miss a tip, trick, or an adventure. More amazing content is always coming your way, and thanks for watching. I'll see you out here in the wild. Take care, and God bless.
Ready for every click. Take a shot, make it stick.